Hi, I'm Nguyen, Director of GNC and Performance at Relativity Space. And since you asked, what are the major challenges for the GNC team during ascent, staging, and reentry? I'm going to start by defining what GNC is. So it's an acronym that stands for Guidance, Navigation, Control. Guidance refers to the tools and algorithms that determine where the rocket is going and where it's pointing. During the ascent phase for a rocket launch, the overall point of the guidance algorithms is to deliver a payload to a very particular orbit. For the first stage, entry and landing, the point of guidance is a little bit different in that we're trying to bring the booster to a precise location somewhere with a very soft landing in order to recover and reuse that rocket stage. So for each mission that Terran R launches, we utilize some software called trajectory optimization software. This is used to design the flight profile that's used to deliver the maximum amount of payload mass to a particular orbit based on the payload's desire. And fundamentally, the amount of payload mass that can be taken up to space is driven by an equation called the Tsiolkovsky rocket equation. This is what is used to determine how much payload mass we can actually deliver to a particular orbit. So it relates the change in a rocket's velocity to the initial mass and the final mass, and the efficiency of the engine, which is commonly referred to as the engine-specific impulse. The Terran R rocket also runs different guidance algorithms on the flight computer itself during the flight, and they're there to improve the performance and the precision of the rocket, and they actually deviate the rocket's orientation away from the pre-computed trajectory. They'll do that to account for things that the rocket sees in flight, like different winds or variations in the engine's performance.